My name is John Bilezekian. I'm a professor of medicine at the Vagelos College of Physicians and Surgeons at Columbia University. The assertion that these vaccines were developed too quickly is not correct. In fact, one could argue that they should have been developed even more quickly. We're in the middle of a worldwide epidemic that hasn't been seen in 100 years. The speed with which these vaccines were developed was based on a number of very important features. One, resources were put to bear to this project. Number two, there was a scientific and administrative infrastructure to move quickly. Number three, the data and safety monitoring boards that are developed to ascertain the safety and efficacy of drugs were established. The ethics committees of individual investigative sites were also enrolled, and the FDA was clearly aware of all the steps in this process. How could you enroll 30 to 40,000 participants in such a short period of time? Well, because there are millions of people who are very concerned about this epidemic. How could you have outcomes so quickly? Well, because there's a lot of COVID. And with 30 to 40,000 enrollees in a very well-controlled clinical trial that was event-driven, one could anticipate a certain number of cases in a very short period of time with the placebo group and with the group that received the vaccine. So this was really a miraculous, fortuitous circumstance that allowed this country and other countries to develop these vaccines very quickly and show efficacy and safely. So to counter the point, I think this was spot on and did miraculously what we had been hoping for a year ago when the amino acid sequence of the famous or infamous spike protein of the coronavirus became available.